Opel Frontera. It was here nothing, black, and RPM is nothing. But after just I turn on lights, everything wake up and here wake up. So problem was I have resoldered everything in main board and changed 2 capacitors. This electrolyte. So not sure what it helps, but not sure, because this resoldering I have made from 2 times. First time I resoldered processor and some of resistors, and I put it back and was nothing, was same problem. After I decide to change capacitors, and same time I have more time, and I resoldered the rest of pieces. Every point I just resoldered it, and voila, it works. So not sure what is help, but if you want to fix that problem, if here is black and RPM is not is jumping, sometimes stays here, everything is not correct. So try to resolder all joints and change 2 capacitors. Opel Frontera 2002, Opel Frontera B. To take it apart, what you must do is take out this cover. It's easy, just clips. After you take out needles you must take out, spin, and same time take out. After remove this one, after remove light with some plastic for lightning, and after you find 1 screw and take out main board from here inside. Maybe I can show. No, it's too much needles. There is something. Yes, now it's difficult to show. I was not sure is it I fix, so I not film, but now I see I fix, so I make film. Write comment, ask some questions, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.